Today I'm going to share with you how do you register for a domain name and also get a free hosting service from ReadySpace. Okay, so now navigate to cloud.readyspace.com.sg as you can see in this screen over here. Alright, then go to a green button over in the middle, top navigation bar, click on order, click on web services, and you'll be redirected to website and email service. Choose WebSpace SG because we are in Singapore. We would like to host our website in Singapore itself. Then you will be redirected to WebSpace Singapore. Choose the plan by scrolling on the right to your right, and you will see WebSpace Solo SG free. Click on order, and then you will be directed to this page. You can either register for new domain, transfer your existing domain, or if you have any existing domain name that's already in the system but without any free hosting, right? But in this case you will need to log in. So let's say now you are a new user, click on register and then search for the domain name that you would like to register. For example, right now I would like to search for ninjaseo.com, and let's see if it is available. As you can see that this domain name is already taken, so it is not possible to register. But however, if you are the owner of ninjaseo.com, click on transfer and you will see that there's an option available to transfer the domain name over. Okay, to do the transfer, you will need to obtain a authentication code, or some would say that it is an EPP code from your current domain name provider. So let's say that we are going to register a new domain. Go back to register and then search for the name again. So in this case, it is not possible to register because the name is already taken. So I will add on more words to the name so that to see if it is available, right? Okay, so let's search for Ninja SEO strategy. Okay, strategy.com. All right, so now we can see that the register button is available. If you would like to have more option, click on load more and you can see that more domain name extension will be listed out. Right, so you can also search choose .sg, or if you are from other if you are targeting other countries, you can also select the other country-based domain names. All right, now so we would like to only register for ninjaseostrategy.com. You can click on register, and once you click on register, it will be added into the cart. So right now you can see that there is a domain name here for 1 year, and also there is a free WebSpace Solo. So over here, if you have obtained a promotion code, right, you can enter it and click submit, and depending on the promotion that you are claiming for, the card here will automatically change its number. So next, click on continue and you will be redirected to the product domain configuration page. If you are a company, click on company, choose company, or if you are an individual, choose others. Right. If you are registering for a local domain name.sg, you will need to enter your identity or your business registration number. Leave who is protection empty because right now we have who is protection by default for all domain names. Edit configuration, set the name server and leave it by default, and domain contact, just use main contact details provided, right? Then proceed by continuing the next step. Now the next step is product configuration for WebSpace Solo. So in this case, there isn't any configuration required because the system would have already connecting will be connecting the domain name directly with the free WebSpace Solo plan that you are getting. So next, click on continue. Now this is the summary, and you can see that it's already connected and it's free, $28.80, and because you are registering in Singapore, so there's a GST of 8%. Since the offer is already claimed, because now we have already connected WebSpace Solo SG to ninjaseostrategy.com, so you do not need to click on claim offer over here. So just continue to scroll down, choose the payment mode over here. Right, so there are various ways to pay. First is by Visa. Okay, if you choose Visa, there is a payment gateway fee for Visa, which will be displayed after you click checkout over here. Click on Pay Now. Okay, to use Pay Now, by it will display a QR code after you click on checkout. Okay, so do note that if you are paying through Pay Now, there is no payment gateway fees. But however, you need to make your payment immediately by scanning using your QR compatible application. Alright, because the QR code will expire within like an hour. Okay, so the rest I will not recommend, because for ReadyPay there will be fees, and for bank transfer you will need to take it will take like a few days, because it is a manual process where our billing team will have to check and verify your payment. Okay, and lastly, check, it will take even longer, because you need to cut a check and then mail to our company, right? Okay, next, fill in the information. For email address, it should be your personal email address. For password, okay, generate your password, okay, by going to LastPass. Okay, so where do we find LastPass? Search for password generator and hit enter, and typically the first sponsored post, okay, or result, okay, will be LastPass. Click on LastPass, and you will see that there's an option for you to generate a password. Click on generate password, and the password will be automatically generated for you. Click on copy over here. Yep, so once it's copied, go back to the page and paste into the password field. So there are two password fields. Paste it over here. Alright, paste it over here. Paste it over here and over here. Alright, and then of course enter your first name, your last name. If it is your organization, enter your company name. If not, click on personal and the field will disappear. Enter your address, your city, because Singapore has no city, so you can just enter Singapore, and of course your postal code. Next, fill in your phone number. Okay, so if you do not have a fixed line phone number, you can enter your mobile number. So this is important, because a verification will be sent to your WhatsApp mobile number. So enter your WhatsApp mobile number over here. Okay, and with regards to your email address, also enter an email address that will be sent to you directly, where you can check your email. So this is important, because after you click on checkout, you will receive a verification code in your email, and also another verification code at your WhatsApp mobile. Alright, now then click on I'm a human. There will be some testing and verification. Just follow this part, okay, accordingly, and of course you will then see a tick if it is being verified. Right, so go through this agreement if you would like to, and click on agree, and finally checkout. Okay, so once the checkout is clicked on, you will be brought to or redirected to the payment page, and you can just follow the instructions over there. Now, if you have further questions, please go to our website over here and reach out to our customer service team by clicking on the top right hand corner, the WhatsApp link on the right, top right. Okay, so that's all for now. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.